All right, guys, 2014 Z4 by BMW. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. You guys can see it's very quiet. Here's sound decibels. Right at 87. Again. Right at 98.7. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the two mufflers off, put two vibrants and two carbon fiber tips. We'll let you guys hear it after. Okay, guys, so we showed you what it's sounded before. BMW Z4. This is what it looks like after. Factory converters up there, secondary converters there. And the nice thing about Z4s is true dual all the way back. Then they put an X pipe in there. It's a miniature one, but it's an X pipe. And then he started that truck. That's open headers right there. Anyways, we're gonna fix that truck for him next. Then he brought his own vibrant mufflers there and there. Part number 1792, and we put up some carbon fiber tips out the back on each side to complement that carbon fiber. There it is, there and there. And I love his license plate. Power! Power! Yeah, there it is. There's the two mufflers that were on it before and tips that we cut off. 2014 BMW Z4. We did it earlier in about 2 weeks ago, I think. We put some vibrant bottles, and now he brought it back. It was too loud for him, too much drone. So what we did, factory converters there, 2 1/4 pipe there, 2 cats there, secondaries, 2 1/4 pipe into an X pipe there. Then 2 1/4 continues, and he brought his own vibrant quiet flows. Part number somewhere. Let me find you the part number, guys. Oh, here we go. Part number 1141, right there. Ultra quiet resonators, there and there. He just wants tone without a lot of resonance, so we did that for him. And then we also installed him 2 new carbon fiber tips, there and there. Part number TPCG/10, made in Slovenia. Carbon fiber there and there, out the back. This is the vibrants we installed on it earlier. There's the 2 in the middle, and then the tips. But I guess the car runs so hot that it melted the carbon fiber, as you guys can see. So remember that when you're wanting these. And we warned them about the new ones, but he said, I don't care. I said, okay, no problem. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect for a BMW. Yeah, for a daily. Not bad at all. Again. Right at 95. Yeah, that's perfect. He does that every time after. 106. Again. 106. That's not bad when you get on it. Yeah, it sounds good. Go ahead and back it up. Z4 BMW. I love the look of these. They're just sexy. I like BMWs. Oh, it's getting louder. Again? That's perfect. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oh man, it's so much better. Yeah. That's where it's at. Because we did them on the M3 too. Okay. Same thing. When you said that, I knew. Yeah. Okay. Again? Oh, it's so much nicer. that's a lot better. A lot quieter. Your sound decibels, give it gas. Again. Right at 87, so about 90. Go ahead and back it out. We'll give you guys hopefully a comparison video between the two. That way you guys can make the right choice. You don't want too loud, you just want it clean. Again. Much better. A lot cleaner. Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW Z4 with vibrant rear mufflers and carbon fiber tips. Everything else is the same. Yeah! That's perfect for a Beamer. Sounds so good. Enjoy, guys. BMW Z4.